All right, y'all, I wanted to get a 2S night run on this vehicle so you guys can see it. It won't be anything too long, but I wanted you guys to see the lights on this vehicle. And they actually look good out here at night, so you guys can see the way those look on there. And I'm not gonna do a lot with this, but you guys also know this has a signal for the left and right, and I'm pretty sure there's several other adjustments for the lights as well. But anyway, I wanted to run this real quick. I am on a different surface, so gotta watch out, some of these cars are trying to come by here. I did adjust the wing so that the wing is all the way up. Could be wrong. I like the way those sparks go in the back of it. As you guys like put the brakes on, you guys see that there? Let's see if we can get this. And then go forward. I know there's some additional adjustments for the lights, and I just gotta figure out what's what, and I'll let you guys know in some video, unless RLAARLO puts something out and I can just load it and show it to you guys. But I was saying I did adjust the wing so it's all the way up, so it's not catching as much air, and it's actually performing a little bit better like this. And I think these lights may be able to go a little bit darker. I mean, a little bit brighter, I should say. But this is still stock out the box though. This will make one heck of a drift car too, so. Now for this super speed Saturday test, I'll probably end up putting the gyro up in. These people over here looking at me. I'll probably end up putting the gyro in here just for a little bit more stability and better passes with it, but I'll let you guys know. But heck, just taking this thing out like this, I mean, it's almost making me want to just get a roller and put it on the shelf, but I can't do that because I'm gonna end up driving it. Now, people talk about the Fortec and the handling of the Fortec and stuff. You guys remember the Fortec has a TSM radio that comes with it. So it's got kind of that cheat mode to it. A lot of 10-scale arm roll cars do too, but it's actually handled a little bit better out here. And it might be because of that wing adjustment too. Break these tires in a little bit too. So I think actually if you're gonna do some general driving, I know I got some additional pinion gears with it, like the speed gear if you use 2 motors and all that. I may try to put that in and run that one time on 2S to see what kind of speeds we get and what kind of temps we get. I don't know what I get stock out the box, but I have to check that at some point. Because I think if you gear this up and you can get about 40 miles per hour, got all these cars over here. Let me see what's going on. Got all these cars stopping and looking and flashing their lights at me. Okay, I got several cars. If they're looking at this, it's fine, but they're like sitting right here in front of me with their lights bright. There's got to be some additional features for them lights. I'm pretty sure there is. One day I'll sit down and I'll figure all this stuff out. Up here chunking rocks on myself. I'm trying to go close enough so you guys can see this. Now, if RLAARLO does a 8-scale or 7-scale car like this, oh, it's a done deal. Especially with the adjustable wing and the dual motor hookup. I know some people are like, oh, dual motors, this and that, but sometimes it's just the innovation of it. I am gonna probably have to look at making some adjustments, lowering the body and stuff down a little bit. But I think when I put that gyro in here, I may be good to go. I'm deliberately trying to just drive hard and spin out as much as I can. Trying to wear these tires in a little bit more. And I am hitting all of these little dust spots. I don't know if you guys can see this. A lot of little dirt spots out here too. Ooh, chassis scrape. I'm glad there was a drainage down there because that would have went right down the sewer. All right, y'all. That's gonna be a night run of this. Let me get this to face in front of us. I do believe you can adjust the lights in here, but I'll have to double check and see. I think you can make different settings for them, but I'm not 100% sure, so don't quote me on that just yet. But so far, so good. I think that this is the best one out of both of them between this and the 917 so far. That's just my opinion. I just like the way this body looks. And so far, I'm gonna love when I put this dual motor. Like I said, it's been a while since I've had a dual motor car, but I think the last one I had was a Losi. I think it was an 18 scale truck or something. It had 2 brush motors in it. And then I had a Tamayo one too that had that on there. I gotta watch some of these cars. They just kind of coming by through these corners. They're actually coming through there and they're just zooming down by here. But anyway, you guys put your comments down below what you think about this. I'll definitely have a lot more videos on this, working on and all that. And I may go live in the next day or so. So you guys stay tuned for that so we can take a closer look at a couple of things with it, answer any questions you guys may have for that. So as always, I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your friends. And somebody asked about lowering the body down. I see what they're talking about. Of course you can lower that down some to get that right about there. And I will be doing that when I start doing higher speeds with it, because I don't want all that air and stuff to catch there and also underneath it too. And I'll be putting a little weight on it, but we'll talk about that as we get to getting this up and running. So appreciate you guys watching.